Hey guys, Austin with MeasureSquare here, and today I'll show you how to update your profile information and how to change your password. Within the CRM, the blue banner at the top should always be present. We're currently on the project overview page, but you should be able to follow along from any part of your process. Find your name at the top right, wait for the menu to appear underneath, and click Profile. From top to bottom, we have a few different places to enter in our specific information. We can upload a recent photo, change our name and contact information, adjust our password by entering our current and desired passwords, update our email address, connect our contact in Google or Outlook. We can do the same with our calendar appointments and bring in all of our information into MeasureSquare CRM. To do this, we just choose a provider, select the account from the list, and make sure to allow access. There you have it, we're connected. That's all for now, and thanks for watching. Remember to hit your favorite buttons down below, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video for MeasureSquare CRM.